Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is day 11. The cuckoo bird is still hatching its eggs. Day 11. She's still sitting on a nest and hatching the 8 eggs that she has laid. See how beautiful she is. She's still sitting calmly in the nest. So beautiful. I'm zooming out now. Okay, there she is. You can see the tree. There she is. It's a hibiscus pink colored flower tree. Can you see the hibiscus, the pink color flower? So beautiful. The tree is so huge, but she has built a nest underneath the tree. Day 11. See, so beautiful she is. She's very beautiful. I don't want to go too near, that's why I'm zooming. I don't want to frighten her. She's still sitting on a nest so calmly. You can see the pink hibiscus, so beautiful. And there she is. Look at her feather. It camouflages with the tree color, the green color. So day 11 is over. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching.